So, hi everyone. So, this one, I'll be discussing the sample computation of Macr 12F, a one bedroom facing Magellan Bay in the 12th floor. So, as you can see in the box right there, it's in the center. So, right here are all the elevators. So, there's no need to worry if you're far from the elevator or if you're near because you all have it's an equal division of the elevator, so you just go right here or right there, so you have an option. And then for the view of this, it's really nice because you're in the center, so you get an equal perspective of here in the Magellan Bay, like Magellan Channel, and then right here is the city lights, the city view, and then right here on your left side is the Hilutungan Channel. So you get views of both the channels, of both the seas, and then plus during at night it will be extra spectacular because of the city lights also. So this one is a one bedroom unit layout right here. So upon entering, you are greeted by the living room and the dining areas. And then right here on your left is your kitchen. And then on your right is your toilet and bath. And then this one right here are pocket doors. So it doesn't take up any space. So that separates the living and dining and the master bedroom. So if you want a bigger perspective or if you want an open space, you can open both the pocket doors. But if you want some privacy or if you have some guests over, you can just close the pocket doors. And then right here is your balcony. So you can still put the balcony is very spacious. You can still put some coffee tables and some chairs also. So this one is at 67 square meter. So very spacious for a one bedroom. So this one is the sample computation of Macr 12F. So right here, the unit is the unit price with the VAT already. So the VAT is already included. So it's at 24 million, but I'm giving you a 2% special discount, which is at
Much lesser compared with the other one, right? On the 10th
yes,
floor.
because it also depends on the TCP.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not fixed room and good sir. Yes. So for this one, the total price is now at 23 million deducted by your 2% discount. So it's at 12th floor, and then just like with the previous unit, in order for us to hold your unit, we will be requiring you to pay the 100,000 peso, which is the reservation fee, and then after 15 days or after a month, we can opt to pay the 10% down payment, which is at 2.2 million. And then right here is the monthly payments or monthly amortization spread into 41 months. So it's at 58,000. So the monthly payments ends at February 9, 2029. So during the next month on March 2029, we will be paying already the 80% balance, which is via bank financing. So if you have a preferred bank, just let us know so that we can assist you further. But Rockwell is partnered with all major banks here in the Philippines.
It can be lump sum as well, or 50-50 of the balance. Like if I have a full cash 50% of the remaining balance 80%, I can do that, then 50% bank financing.
Yes, yes. So this one is just our standard payment term. So for example, if you wanted 50-50, then we can do that also.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just giving you the schedule or like somehow like a guide of our standard payment term. But if you want it customized, somehow you want it to be, let's say 10, 90. So
No, I mean the remaining balance is 80%, right?
yes, yes.
10% is down payment, another 10% spread over 42 months.
This one, sir, they can opt not to follow this one. This one is just, for example, if they have let's say the standard
Advance.
payments, yes. So that standard payment is really 10-10-80. So that's the 80% balance. But if they have more cash
They
in
can
their
make an
hands,
advance, take
yes, they can,
advantage, zero
para
interest.
their 80% is now being reduced. So it's not 80% balance anymore. It's probably more of like 70% if they have more cash in their hands.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is really just a guide, but it's not really, what do you call this? You don't have to follow the 58,000. I believe we do have good months and bad months. So when it comes to your good months, if you prefer to have like a higher monthly amortization, let's say you'll be paying 200,000 in that month, then it's okay also. So that your 80% balance will be reduced.
Okay.
Okay. So right here is our option 2. So just like 17D1, this one also is with the lump sum term. So it's still extended. It's still 41 months. The reservation fee is still 100,000. And then the 10% down payment is still at 2.2 million. This one is just, so instead of paying 58,000 for your monthly payments, you will now be paying half. So that's 29,000. But the catch is we will pay the 1% lump sum, which is at 239,000 on every 7th month. So on every 7th month, 14th, 21, and 28, you will be paying the 239,000. But for the monthly payments, it's all 29,000. And then still the same, 80% upon turnover via bank financing.
Okay.
Okay.
By the way, for this event, you have special discount, right?
Yes, oo sir. But don't
Fully
mention,
furnished.